Sometimes on my days off, I take my bike out into the bush. Just get away for a bit, fresh air, trees, and a bit of quiet. I make a coffee out here, cook a simple breakfast, and just enjoy the morning. Lately, I've been adding this into my daily routine. I've been taking the Clara Hormone Complex for a little while now. And one thing I noticed pretty quickly, my sleep's been really good. Like when I sleep, I actually sleep straight through the night. No waking up in the middle of the night or anything like that. And honestly, when you sleep properly, everything just feels a bit easier the next day. Anyway, breakfast done, coffee finished, time to get back on the bike. Whoops! Well, that happened. But I guess that's part of the adventure, right? You fall sometimes, you get back up, and you just keep going. That's life, really.